Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Edge panel in this device. So in this device I already enabled the Edge panel. You can see this is the Edge panel. So here you can see a small white line. Just swipe inverse the line. You can see this is the Edge panel. You will get some more options here. We can take the screenshot also using the Edge panel. So let me show you how to enable and how to customize the Edge panel. For this, go to settings. Here you can see the option display. Tap on this one. Scroll down. Here you can see the option Edge panel. First of all, we need to enable this one. Now tap on the option Edge panel. So here we can customize the Edge panel. So if you tap on this option, first one panel. So we can select what are the option we need to see in the Edge panel. Now I select the options apps and task. Okay, and we can add more apps and we can delete the existing apps from the Edge panel also. And we can add more task here, and we can add the people that contact, that means contact, weather, tool, clipboard, reminder, all these things we can add to the Edge panel. So here I am going to add weather. So let me show you. So this is task, and you can see this is applications, and this is task, and this is weather. You can see. If you go back here, you can see the option handle. If you tap on this one, now the Edge panel is in the right side of this device. You can see the position is right. If you tap on this one, you can move this to left also. You can see. Right, and you can change the color. So here I am going to change the color to green, and we can, this is for the right, and we can adjust the transparency. So I am going to low, then you can see a green line, you can see, and this is for the size of the Edge panel. You can make the Edge panel large, small, you can see, and we can make the width thin to thick. Now this is thin, you can see, thick. Okay, if you go back, so simply in this way we can customize and we can enable the Edge panel in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.